We've been using Niagara since 2015 at Honeywell Aerospace. I do a lot of special projects, basically all the new emergent technologies. Before we had Niagara in place, the engineers would be notified that there's a problem because the product wouldn't pass the quality test. The engineers would go down to the plant, get the data, takes a few weeks, and they find no problems. So then they go look at another part of the plant, and then the process starts all over again. In that case, it takes us maybe 2 or 3 months before we're done solving the problem. That's what happened before Niagara. Niagara is a system that allows us to capture data from multiple sources and bring it all into one place. Whether it's data from a sensor, whether it's data from a scanner, whether it's data that a supplier has entered into a table that loads into our ERP system, all of that can be extracted by Niagara and consolidated into one place for us. Every time we go digitize a plant or a process, we get that money back within a year. It's very easy to use the software in terms of plugging in all the different disparate sources of data. Instruments, scanners, databases, ERP systems, and Niagara can gather data from all of them. The other aspect of the software that's really good is it has strong encryption. And in our business, in the aerospace business, there's a lot of security, especially for military products and equipment. Now with the power of the 3 organizations, Niagara, Dell, and Intel coming together, we're going to be able to make our projects go faster and payoff come quicker. Whatever project we've worked on, when we've applied the Niagara tool set to it, we've always come out a winner.